Welcome to What's New in Sage50, where we'll discuss the new features and changes included in 2015.0 and also those included in the recent 2014 update. Let's begin with an overview of the changes included in the 2015.0 release. We've made improvements to several areas, including sales and some administrative processes, payroll, including the integration with Manulife for PRPP benefits, and we've added a powerful reporting tool to Sage50 Pro accounting. Let's take a look at these changes in more detail, starting with the sales and administrative improvements. Keep track of who owes you money by generating statements for customers with outstanding or overdue balances. Statements show amounts outstanding or overdue in addition to any payments made. And now you can create an incentive for customers to pay you on time. We've added the ability to charge compound interest on overdue sales invoices. If your products or services use the Other Information field on the Additional Info tab or the Long Description field on the Detailed Description tab, you can include this info on sales-related forms, such as orders, invoices, and packing slips. Just open the Form Designer, select the appropriate form, and add the columns. If you are processing multiple payments from a customer or to a vendor, you can reuse the selected customer or vendor by selecting the push pin. With this simple feature change, processing customer receipts and vendor payments is now more efficient. Next, if you send invoices or orders to your customers, the invoice or order number is now included in the file name, allowing you and your customers to keep better track of files. Here's another time-saving change. If you are processing multiple sales orders, the order number now increments automatically to save you time and keep track of your work. Here's another handy change. When you're working in the Inventory Adjustments window, you can print the Inventory Adjustment Detail report directly from the Reports menu without having to leave the window. Let's have a look at the payroll changes included in this release. The Voluntary Retirement Savings Plan Act came into effect on July 1, 2014, requiring all small businesses with 5 or more employees to offer a workplace savings plan. We've integrated with Manulife for PRPP and VRSP in Quebec. The integrated payroll solution offers a streamlined payroll workflow through Sage50 accounting, while simplifying the ongoing administration of Manulife's new VRSP. This saves time and reduces redundant data entry by pre-filling a VRSP contribution file for each payroll cycle and pre-populating employee information files created by Sage50 accounting to ensure accurate information is sent to Manulife to administer employees' records. There's one other payroll change included in this release. If you have employees whose total income is less than their total claim amount on their TD1, you can turn off tax calculation in their employee record. Also with this release, Sage50 Pro accounting customers now have access to custom sales and accounting reporting with Sage50 Intelligence Reporting. These Microsoft Excel-based reports automatically update with real-time data, so you can access the information you need to make swift, confident decisions. Now let's look at an overview of the changes included in the last 2014 release. We made several improvements to form printing and the payroll experience. T5018s can now be printed on plain paper. Just load up the printer and print. No need for special forms or adjusting margins. If you are using pre-printed ROE forms, you'll notice a clean, crisp output because we've moved to a PDF print solution just for ROEs. Activating payroll has become easier because you no longer have to enter a payroll ID. Your software will recognize whether or not you subscribe to a Sage Business Care plan with payroll. And you now have easier access to online filing for T4s from within the T4 Slip and Summary Options window, rather than having to access from the File menu. We also made it easier to get access to product help and learning. It takes just one click to connect with our knowledgeable tech support and customer service teams from the home window. You won't miss a single product communication with the more prominent Message Center notifications, and you'll have quicker access to Sage University via the Learning Center. It's a central location for all your Sage50 learning needs. This concludes our presentation of what's new in Sage50. From all of us at Sage, we thank you for joining us, and for more learning opportunities, we invite you to visit Sage University at www.sageu.com.